Motorola X50, €666 at the time when I'm recording this video. Link in the description. Let's see what's in the box. Most likely a case. We're gonna do it later, and that's the device. Ta-da! What else do we have? We do have a charger and a cable, USB Type-C cable, and the charger itself is USB Type-C, 125 watts. There you go. Pause the video if you want to read it. And I can see this is Chinese end, but the converter is included in the package, and that's a great converter because it's like multi for Europe, US, China, whatever. And converts all. This one is for the Europe. Of course, if you live in a different country, you'll get a different converter. It all depends where you live. Wow. Vegan. We do have SIM card tool. Hello Moto. And I don't know what that is. Anyway, that's the case. And a case. I don't know. It will add a little bit more grip. It will protect your screen at the top and bottom, not on the side. It will also protect your cameras. But if you look at it, ooh, what's that? Ooh, it looks, ooh, that, no. Without it, this smartphone looks much better, and it feels very nice in the hand. You don't need a case, especially not this one. Ooh. After 1 day of usage, this smartphone has a plastic pre-installed on the screen. I managed to peel it off from the side a little bit, a tiny bit, but I'm not going to remove it because during the testing, and I'm still testing the smartphone, stuff can happen, and happens with Huawei, the latest Huawei, and it saves me hundreds of dollars. That's why I'm just keeping it for a while. Anyway, on the right, we do have antenna, microphone. Microphone on the right, when you're holding like that, it's on the top. It's super designed because sometimes you're going to block those mics on the power button, volume buttons, another antenna. Power button is at the correct height. You don't have to reach, at least with my short sausage fingers. Volume buttons, volume down, don't have to reach. Volume up, I have to reach a little bit, but that's okay. Dolby Atmos logo at the top, another antenna, another microphone, speaker, and another antenna. Another 2 antennas on the left, a lot of antennas. And on the bottom, there's a SIM card tray, microphone, 2 antennas, USB Type-C, and a speaker. And of course, we do have a very nice set of cameras. That's a periscope lens, flash, and microphone. That's the flash. That's the depth sensor, microphone, main camera, macro, and telephoto. That is awesome. Also, screen is extremely nice, and the whole system is very fast. What's the difference between the Chinese version, this is the Chinese version, and the European version or international version? Mostly Google News. For example, with the European version, all you need to do is just swipe and you will have the Google News. In this one, you will have shortcuts. You can customize them, whatever you like. I didn't do anything with it, so it is what it is, the default shortcuts. But if you want to look at the Google News, then you have to download the Google. You can see, you can have all kinds of Google stuff, Google Wallet, Google Lens, Google TV, Google Pay, whatever. Google News, and there you go. Look how quick everything. Wow! Google is promoting one of my videos. Thank you, Google. Much appreciated. Look how smooth everything is. That's the smoothest Google News I've seen for a very long time. What does that mean? It means, for example, with the latest Samsung S series, Galaxy S24, S23, whatever, they have adaptive screen, so it will like judder a little bit. It juddery. This isn't. This is a fixed 120. Wait a minute, 144 hertz screen, so it's like insanely smooth. That's another one of my videos. That's super cool. Google is promoting my videos, finally. Look how smooth that is, and that is just brilliant. Anyway, let's hit the settings. Do remember that this is just an unboxing experience, and first, like use. If we hit display, we have color, brightness level. How bright can this go? We have to turn off the dark theme. Damn, that is bright. Okay, let's turn down that brightness. It's too much, way too much. All right, should we stick with anyway? Color, vivid, radiant or natural. Display text size, we can change it, and of course, refresh rate. Auto, smart option, I don't recommend it. 60 for low battery consumption, 120 for high battery consumption, and 144 for extremely high battery consumption. But, no, is it extremely high? I don't know. Doesn't feel that way. Full screen, auto rotate screen. Is it going to auto rotate? It will. That is cool. Edge light. So if someone calling you or texting you, it will give you a light warning. Night light. Will never turn off automatic. All right, no, we don't want that. Frequent prevention, so your eyes will be saved, and stuff like that. Do remember, this is just an unboxing experience. What a smooth device. Let's see how much storage we have. Well, about the phone itself. We do have 256 GB of storage. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. 12 GB of RAM, which could be boosted for extra 4, and camera is front 50 megapixel, rear 50 and 64. That's a very nice set of cameras, and of course display is in HDR. What a device, powered by MIUI 7.0. Should we look at the camera? I think we should. Maybe if I put something in here. Oh, it's all dark. All right, I have a bowl. There it is. Slow motion up to 960. We do have a video option, but unfortunately, we cannot switch lenses in 4K 60 during the recording from, you see? Won't go any further. You'll have to stop, switch to the main lens, and start recording again. Wow, look at that macro. Damn. That's in 60 frames per second. If we switch to 30, HDR also available, then there's no problemo, my friend. You can go all the way. What the? Wow. Nice. That macro is amazing. It also has a dedicated macro. Look at that. Let me just bring that a bit closer. Look at that. Damn. That is amazing. Also front-facing camera. 50 megapixel, very wide camera, and the quality is one of the best front-facing camera I've seen ever. Great for selfies. There you go. Bam. And selfie. Huh. It needs a little bit more time because it's a 50 megapixel. It's not. Damn! That is a quality device. Yeah. Let me show you some samples. And there'll be a link in the description for you to download original photos and videos. Camera test and microphone test. It says mouse ice cream. It's not actual mouse. People in Poland are not that savage. It's just an ice cream with a chocolate. And do you see autofocus in wide angle lens? How great it is for vlogging. Nice, really nice. Wide angle and autofocus. That's something which you have to have if you want to vlog via smartphone. Very wide front-facing camera with autofocus, so you can see all kinds of details. How cool is that? For vlogging. This is the best vlogging camera I've seen ever in any smartphone. Vlogging means front-facing camera because it's wide, it has autofocus, and it's in 4K. Maybe it's not 4K 60, so it's not perfect, but it's nearly there. 4K 30 is still pretty good.
There's a starman waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds. There's a starman waiting in the sky. He's told us not to blow it, 'cause he knows it's all worthwhile. He told me, let the children lose it. Let the children use it. Let all the children boogie.
Conclusion, it has the best front-facing camera in the world, at least for me. Such a wide angle, great for content creation. Like that, or like that. It's not too wide, so it feels very nice in the hand. One-handed smartphone, and that is what you need. Also for content consuming 144 Hz. The only drawback I see, that's the camera, which is drawing too much battery. Maybe in time they will hit the firmware update, and it will fix that issue. For now, that's all I have. Full review and the camera test coming soon. See you next video.